Back forecast USDJPY. Simple trading tips for beginner traders on October 7. Recap of yesterday's Forex trades, trade analysis and USDJPY trading tips to the premium article will be available in 000007.10.2025 AM. The premium article will be available in 000007.10.2025 AM. Trade analysis and USDJPY trading tips. The price tester 150.26 occurred when the MACD indicator had just started to move down from the zero line, confirming it as a valid entry point for selling the dollar. This signal led to a drop in the pair of over 40 points. A moderate decline in the dollar occurred yesterday afternoon following yet another failed round of budget talks between Republicans and Democrats, which resulted in an extended government shutdown. As is commonly known, fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access, getting information first. Get